All right, in this video, I'm working on the Husqvarna 125 leaf blower if you lose a gas cap, but it's pretty much going to apply to any leaf blower if you happen to misplace your fuel cap. Okay, so this is the fuel cap, and say that you're out in the field and you lose it or it gets destroyed, but you need to finish the job. There's a few things that you can do. One of them is that you can take tin foil if you happen to have it. This is definitely not any kind of permanent solution, but again, if you need to finish the job, maybe you could take it from your sandwich, from your lunch, or wherever, and you can temporarily plug the gas cap. Say you don't have aluminum foil. You can do it with a potato, or an apple, or cork. It's probably going to raise some eyebrows that I'm suggesting to take a potato to plug your gas tank, but remember, this is if there's an emergency and you need to finish the job. I've shaped it here using my pocket knife, and you just don't want to push too hard or it's going to break off, and then you're going to get pieces of potato in your gas tank, which is not going to be worth it. So I'm being very